Today we're taking a closer look at a really cool keyboard. This is your full-size keyboard with number pad. If you're doing any data entry or counting, you have a full pad here. Very cool gradient color, real nice neutral colors right there. Kind of like goes from tan to like nude color. Really original design. Nice buttons, feels good. Takes a AA battery, completely wireless. And AA battery goes right there. It does have a stand if you like a little bit of an angle like I do, and feels really nice. Kind of has this typewriter vibe with these round buttons, which is cool. Gives it a little bit of a retro look, make your workspace kind of fun. And then you have the mouse here, wireless mouse, 1 click, 2 clicks, 3, 4 clicks and a roll. So a total of 4 clicks with a roller, and that is a 2.4 gigahertz. This is the chip that comes out and also is powered by a AA battery as well. Just pop that off and put it in there. Laser light, don't need a mouse pad with it. May work better with one, but I often don't use one. Not necessarily with the lasers. But this just takes a AA battery on both of these. I can't get in there. Don't have any nails. But there you go, AA battery. Pop that in there. It's going to last you quite a long time. But nice looking. Nice jog wheel. And keyboard itself. Very nice. Windows buttons. All your function buttons. Great color. Nice keyboard. And good combo.